Research is a verified approach of thinking and employing legalized instruments and steps to obtain a more adequate solution. Two categories ng research. Yung una, basic research. This is the type of research that is purely direct application by increasing the nature of understanding about the problem. It develops the scientific theories to be more understandable to the reader. So, sample ng basic research. Example, what is the effect of cigarettes? Basic yun. So, at that point pa lang, aalamin mo ano nga ba ang epekto ng cigarettes. Okay po, yun yung basic. Sumasagot siya sa tanong. Pag applied research naman, it is a type of research that needs an answers to a specific question. Diba, sinasagot na nga ng basic yun. It provides solutions and validation in order to apply to the real settings. So, kapag applied naman, aside from the problem, lalagyan mo siya ng solution. So, kung may epekto ang cigarettes, ngayon, dagdagan mo ng how to cure yung mga epekto ng cigarettes. Doon na papasok yung applied. Okay po? So, meron dalawang kinakategorize dyan. Yung pagsagot sa tanong o pagsagot sa problem at paano mo naman ngayon susolusyonan yung problema. Okay, mga activities din tayo na binibigay ang module, what I have learned. Next activity, what I can do. Imagine that you are a detective and you will look for the evidence on the crime scene. Supply possible evidence to solve the problem.